Hi there, my name is Kyle Rist. I am the head bartender at Bartola Mexican Cuisine, and today I'm going to be showing you one of our house cocktails, the Jardín Frida. The Jardín Frida is a smoky and sweet floral cocktail that's been on our menu since our reopening back in June. For this cocktail, I'm going to be using a Boston shaker with a bottom, a jigger that can measure up to 1.5 ounces, and a cocktail strainer. So to start off, we're going to be doing 1.5 ounces of Agua Mezcal. A 1/2 ounce of triple sec. You can use any triple sec you like. We make our own in-house. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And 3/4 ounce of lavender syrup. Lavender syrup you can make by just making a simple 1-to-1 syrup, sugar and water, adding however much lavender flower you feel is to your taste. Now to garnish, I'm going to be using crushed ice, as well as a Butterfly Pea Water. Butterfly Pea Water is just interesting tea you can buy in your local grocery store. And it comes out blue, but when it makes contact with acid, it'll start to turn purple. So it'll create a really nice layering effect on the cocktail. There we have the Jardín Frida.